Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at A&L RV Sales right here in Jackson, Tennessee. Now we've got a good one today. It's a 2025 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite, model number 26FKBS. So let's get started. The length on this Flagstaff Super Lite is 29 feet, 8 inches. The dry weight is 6,836, and at hitch weight is 946, with a GVWR of 8,746. She's pretty heavy.
But we think you're going to like it.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Start right here at the front and let you know that it does have the BAL auto leveling system on it. Of course, your propane will go here and your batteries will mount back behind it. We're close to this little drainage area here, so I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to get down this side for you. Let me try it real quick. You're going to have two good size slide outs down this way. Trying really hard not to fall off in this. So one of your dump areas is going to be here. The other one is under there, so it is under your slide, so just keep that in mind when you set up. There is going to be a storage area here.
Oh yeah.
Nice. That is going to be under your bed, so you'll see that inside.
Well, they almost put us in the ditch here, didn't they?
Yes, they did. I was trying not to fall off in it. So here at the back, you do have a ladder to get up on the roof. Your spare is mounted back here, and they actually give you a hard cover on this spare. That's really nice. It is prepped for a backup camera.
And that's a deep slide.
It is. Look how deep that slide is, y'all. That's a big slide. Loving this. You also are going to have a receiver down here. This is going to be for an accessory rack, not for towing. Wow, your cable, satellite hookup, all that's back
City
here.
water, yeah.
At the back. This is going to have two entries. So you've got two doors on this side. You're going to be able to bring your TV out, satellite hookup there, and your little mounting brackets already in place. Now this is a front kitchen model, so your front storage is going to be a little bit small.
Suburban griddle. You get there's your plate for your griddle.
Yes.
And also you get, if you can see it back here, let me kind of get this out of the way. Here's your
the little table that mounts on that bracket on the side there.
And it's magnet to it, so
so it holds it up in place.
That is cool.
Really neat. This storage is actually going to be under your sink, but they do give you some storage there at the front.
All right.
Awning length.
I have no idea.
We have no clue. All right, let me hold this in. You go down there.
Have no idea what awning is.
So we're just going to measure it.
Holy moly, it's 21 feet.
Wow, that's a big one. 21 feet, and it does give you a little bracket there in the middle, so it does help support some of the weight of it. You do have outside speakers, so hey,
let's get in here.
Let's go take a look at it.
All right, if you like our videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Who knows where we'll be and
what
we'll show.
Exactly. All right, let's take a little peek around here as we come in. I'll just start right there behind you with the pantry.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, really nice pantry area just as you come in. And then there is an open area underneath for your shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then here on this side, your controls are going to be right there. You do have a 12-volt compressor fridge with the freezer on the bottom.
We see a lot of this.
Yeah, with the dual entry so you can open from either side.
I like that.
Moving on into the kitchen. You do have a little bit of a smaller microwave, but nice microwave. It says it fits a full-size 11-inch dinner plate.
Well, all right.
We should test that out.
We didn't bring a dinner plate.
I did not. So you got a 3-burner cooktop with an oven. Huge cabinet area up there. Wow.
I like their cabinets.
And across the
The
front
entire
here.
front.
Yeah, so you have cabinetry all the way across. Now these are solid surface countertops
Yes.
in here. Nice area underneath your sink, which again we showed you also from the outside. This is a large single basin sink with a high-rise faucet. You do have a pull-down blackout shade across the front.
Yep.
Plug in there in the corner. And plug in over there, as well as I think a USB. Oh wow, you got your little cutlery drawer,
And you got
open cabinet, and then another drawer. Hey, wow, you give you a water filter. Trust me, you need water filters. We have camped in some water's been a little questionable. Oh, and
here's
another
another.
drawer.
Hey, all right. Oh, look.
Yeah, TPMS. Always need those. Yeah, so another plug in there in the corner. Really nice little front kitchen area. Coming over here to one of your giant slides, you have your booth dinette. This will make additional sleeping, and your table moves around as you need it. You've got storage underneath, and for those who want to know the price, there is the MSRP on it. But if you want the actual sale price, just give A&L a call, and they will be more than happy to help you out with that.
All right.
Finishing out your slide, you've got some storage across the top of your sofa here. Your theater seating, not a sofa.
And you got little
And reading lights.
reading lights. That's cool.
Those are very nice.
Oh, something we failed to point out. You also have
Oh, the MCD day and night
the
roller shades.
Yes. So yeah,
Those are
Just
very
wanted to-
nice to have.
point that out.
So here on your theater seating, you do have wireless charging right in the middle. Nice big storage space for your remotes. This is going to be a parachute pull, and you got cup holders on both sides. Now, when you have a seat, wow, your TV will swivel all over the place.
Yep.
And that looks like it's a 40. Hey, it's on there. Wow. Okay, 40-inch TV, and it is a smart TV.
That's even better.
We have a dumb TV in ours, but that's okay. Down here, they actually give you a little solid surface shelf right there. Another plug-in down here in this cubby, and a really great electric fireplace. This thing right here is going to be if you want to have an extra TV to mount on that hook outside.
Yeah. All
Oh,
right.
before anybody asks, yes, there's your AC unit. Don't want to fail to point that out.
Yes.
Okay, now your bathroom. Bathroom's going to have dual entry. You've got a swinging door on this side and a sliding door going into the bedroom. Now, this, not sure how to measure these.
Well, it's just a round shower.
I think that's what, a 36-inch corner shower. It's round, and it has a skylight. Yeah, so, I mean, if you're 6 feet, 6'2", you shouldn't have any problems in it because it does have a skylight. This is the weirdest little cabinet I have ever seen because it goes back to a point.
Huh.
Okay, I would say put shampoos and things in there. I don't know that you're going to be able to get towels in it. That's an interesting little cabinet. But hey, at least they didn't waste the space. Got a foot flush toilet down here.
Yep.
It's angled. You're going to have plenty of leg room in front of it. And you even have a towel ring up here.
I don't know which way you need to get in here.
We're just
Come back over here.
we're just walking in and out of this bathroom. It's a good thing it has 2 doors. Okay, over here you do have your mirrored medicine cabinet. This
They
is
did-
solid
no,
surface. No,
they did
this is
not.
not. Oh, but it looks like solid
It
surface.
does. It is not.
They did good. That looks really nice. So you have a good sized sink, nice area around it to put all of your soaps and toothpaste and all that good stuff. Great area down below it. Plenty of room for a garbage can down there.
Yeah.
All right. And you do have a really big exhaust fan. So there's the sliding door going into the bedroom. And I'm going to come out this way and go in this door. Wow. Okay, in this main bedroom, this is going to be a queen size bed.
Do we need to make sure? You know me, I got a tape measure now.
I know you have a tape measure. You are dangerous.
Yep, 80.
80. Should be a 60 by 80.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes, true queen in here. And this is that giant deep slide that we showed you.
Wow.
So you have reading lights.
Yeah.
Love those. Storage across the top. You also have the blackout shades in here.
Yes.
And little nightstands on both sides. And because this is such a huge deep slide, guys, look at all of this space you have at the end of the bed. That's just amazing. Yeah, so there's the space that we showed you from the outside. But then you have these two really good sized drawers. They're just big drawers. Heating is going to be in the floor in here. So great storage underneath. And there is a little USB port right there on that little ledge. Now, back here you have a wardrobe. Sliding mirror doors. So there is this hanging hook all the way across. Two good sized drawers down here. And
that's access to
your water pump.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have another TV back here. This is a 32-inch. And it's going to come out and swivel. And it's also a smart TV.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really nice. Second AC unit in here. And then here is your other outside door. So,
this is a nice floor plan.
It is a nice floor plan. And believe me, these extra doors come in handy when you're getting everything ready.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Hey, we'd like to hear what you guys think about this. It's a nice open floor plan.
All right, everybody. If you like this Forest River Super Light, Flagstaff Super Light, I almost forgot there for a minute what we're looking at. But dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.